This problem, we're going to solve this long division problem without partial quotient. I'm just going to do it the basic way, but I'm going to do a couple of shortcuts. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to underline the 64. I'm going to underline the 530 because 64 fits into 530. Can't fit into 53, and this is too big. Let's keep it as simple as possible. 64 and 530 works. Now I'm going to take it a step further, and I'm going to circle the tens digit. And I'm going to circle the 2 digits in 530 because 6 fits into 53, right? Because 6 fits into 53, I could do this mentally. It's easier for me. I know my 6 times table. 6 goes into 53. That would be 8 times. Yeah, 8 times. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the whole number 64 by 8 and see if that's going to work. You'll see what I mean in a minute. So this is going to be 32, carry the 3, plus sign. 6 times 8 is 48, plus 3 is 51. I got 512. Will 512 be small enough for 530? Yes. Will it be close enough? Yes. I'm going to put the 512 right underneath. I'm ready to subtract. 530 minus 512 is 18. Obviously 64 can't go to 18, so I knock on my next door neighbor's door. I bring down the 182 is large enough. I keep the 6 over here circled. Here I circle the 18 because 6 goes into 18 3 times. I repeat the process again. Oh, by the way, because 8 works over here, I'm going to stick the 8 up here. Okay? That's done. Now, 6 goes into 18 3 times. So I'm going to multiply the whole 64 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12, carry the 1. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1 is 19. Problem. What's the problem? This is too big. So 3 is not going to work. But I already know in my mind that 2 is going to work. I'm going to put the 2 up here anyway. You're not supposed to do that, but I know that 2 is going to work. I'm going to multiply 64 times 2 this time. And I get 8, 12, 128. Now that's going to work. Okay? I'm going to put the 128 down here. Okay? Now I'm ready to subtract. 2 minus, this is actually going to be a 12. This becomes a 7, which is really grouping to be a 5. 54 is my remainder here because guess what? 64 is bigger than 54. Can't do anything else. I'm going to move that up here, and it's going to be remainder 82 remainder 54. And I'm going to check it on my calculator just to make sure that I did it right. I'm going to multiply my two outside numbers, 64 and 82. 64 times 82. Get 5248. I'm going to add the 54. What do you know? 5302, 5302. We have a perfect match. And that's how you do it. Bye.